In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address on Binance. This process involves navigating through your account settings and verifying your identity to ensure. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the home page, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu where you will select Profile Settings. Next, within the Profile Settings, look for the Security section on the left-hand side menu. Click on Security to access various security options related to your account. Here, you will find the email option listed among other security features. After identifying the email option, click on Change Email. This action will prompt a verification process to ensure that the request is legitimate. Be prepared to complete identity verification measures, which may include two-factor authentication or confirming your current email address. Once you've completed the necessary verification steps, you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Carefully input the new email you wish to use. After entering the new email, click Send Confirmation Code. This will send a verification code. Check your new email inbox for the confirmation code from Binance. Enter this code in the designated field back on the Binance platform. After entering the code, click Confirm to finalize the email change. Make sure to save your changes in the security settings to ensure that the new email address is updated. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.